All right, folks, back on the Chevy Traverse that we discovered oil and spark plugs, so we had to order those in. And basically what you got to do is you got to push these tabs over for the coils, get them unhugged, and you just kind of wiggle these apart and they pull off. Kind of a pain to do, but they come off. There you go. And then these are 10 mils, and then once you get them all disconnected right here, same thing, just push them over like that, wiggle them out of the way. Then once you take the 10 mils off the coils, then we can get the bolts off and all the other hoses and connectors off the valve covers. Then we'll remove the valve covers, clean off the surface, and get the gaskets going. So stay tuned.